This particular exponential equation was sent to me by a Facebook follower. 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of negative x equal to 17 divided by 4. Let's get started. I know that 2 raised to the power of negative x is the same thing as 1 divided by 2 to the power of x. So I can write it as 2 to the power of x plus 1 divided by 2 to the power of positive x. This is equal to 17 divided by 4. The LCM of our denominators will be 2 to the power of x times 4. So I would like to multiply every single term by 2 to the power of x times 4, something like this. If you multiply this by that, you have 4. 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of x will give us 2 to the power of x squared. 2 to the power of x squared plus 2 to the power of x will multiply this. You have 1 times 4 is 4 equal to 4 will multiply this. You have 17, but we still have 2 to the power of x times 17. So we have 17 times 2 to the power of x. Let me bring this term to the left hand side. We have 4 times 2 to the power of x squared. As this crosses over, it becomes negative 17, 2 to the power of x, then plus 4. Everything here equals 0. This is a quadratic equation in terms of 2 to the power of x, which can be factorized. First of all, we have to take the leading coefficient and multiply by the constant term, which is going to give us 16. Then two numbers we can multiply together to get 16. But when added up together, we get negative 17 are negative 1 and negative 16, right? Negative 1, negative 16. Multiply them together, you have to get 16. Add them together, you have to get negative 17. And hence, we have our factors like this. 2 to the power of x minus 1, but divided by the leading coefficient, multiplied by 2 to the power of x minus 16 divided by the leading coefficient, everything 0. All right, it implies either this is 0 or this is 0. Let me start with this one. 2 to the power of x minus 1 over 4 equals 0, or 2 to the power of x minus 4, because 16 divided by 4 is 4, equals 0. So let's solve these two equations separately. Let me start with the first one. I know that 1 over 4 is the same thing as 4 to the negative 1. So 2 to the power of x minus 4 to the negative 1 is equal to 0. That is our first equation. But I know that 4 is the same thing as 2 squared. So I have 2 to the power of x minus 2 squared. Or should I take it to the other side? Let me do that first. We have, as it crosses over, it becomes positive. So we have 2 to the power of negative 2. Yes, because 2 squared is 4. That power of 2 will have to multiply negative 1. You have negative 2. And since the bases are the same, we can simply equate the exponents. So x equal to negative 2 is our first solution. Then we'll move down here. We have 2 to the power of x equals, as this crosses over, it becomes positive 4. But that 4 can be written as 2 squared. And hence, x equal to 2. So we have two solutions. X could either be negative 2 or positive 2. But I want you to test them in the main equation to see whether this is true or not. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.